Hi, I'm Ron from Kolleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivable. In this video, I will show you how to modify an existing journal entry in NetSuite. So the first thing to do is to go to Transactions, Financial, Make Journal Entries, List. So here you'll see a list of your journal entries. Find the ones you want to modify, and if available, click Edit next to it. Some important considerations: you have to remember the edit option won't be available if the journal entry has already been approved or posted. Additionally, if the entry was applied as a payment to an invoice or vendor bill, editing it will remove that relationship. After modifying, you'll need to reapply the payment. So on this journal entry page, you can modify all the necessary details. When you're done, you save the changes. You like this tutorial if you find it helpful. And for the permissions and approval, remember that if your organization requires approval for journal entries, the users need the appropriate permissions to modify or delete approved journal entries. Specifically, full-level journal approval permission is required to delete, and edit level permission is needed to modify approved entries. That's it. You successfully modified the journal entry in NetSuite. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this, and see you in the next video.